Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. Today we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs on general agriculture which have been repeated in most of the competitive exams. Moving on to the first question. Lasso is the trade name of which herbicide? Lasso is the trade name of herbicide Allachlor. So Allachlor is also called as Lasso. Protein structure is stabilized by which element? Protein structure is stabilized by the element sulfur because proteins have disulfide bonds. Major rabi crop in India. There are kharif crops and rabi crops. Rice, maize, sorghum, cotton, soybean, groundnut belong to the kharif crops, and wheat, barley, oat, gram and lentil belong to the rabi crops. Among the rabi crops, wheat is the major rabi crop. National Research Center for Sheep and Wool Research is situated at. National Research Center for Sheep and Wool is situated at Avika Nagar. NRC for groundnut is situated in which state? NRC, that is the National Research Center for groundnut, is situated at Junagadh. It is in Gujarat and it is the first NRC in India. Chemical for preventing fruit loss in mango is. The chemical which is used for preventing fruit loss in mango is NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, and it is used at the rate of 10 to 50 ppm. Downy mildew of maize was introduced from which country? Downy mildew of maize was introduced from Java. Origin of mango is. Origin of mango is India. Mostly it is Indo-Burma. Bengal famine occurred in which year? Bengal famine occurred in the year 1942. Mostly it is in the year 1942 to 44. Next one. The pyrites is mostly found in which state? Pyrites are mostly found in the state of Bihar. Pusa purple long is a variety of. Pusa purple long is a variety of brinjal. The test weight of basmati rice is around. The test weight of basmati rice is around 21 grams. Nitrogen fixation is influenced by which elements? Nitrogen fixation is influenced by both molybdenum and iron. Fort of soybean is the another name of which state? Madhya Pradesh is called as Fort of soybean. Waterlogged soils are mostly found in which state? Waterlogged soils are mostly found in the state of West Bengal. Dominant black soil found in which state? Black soils are predominantly found in the state of Maharashtra. Partially decomposed organic matter is. Here we should be clear with the partially decomposed organic matter and the partially decomposed soil. If it is partially decomposed organic matter, then it will be myrrh. And if it is a partially decomposed soil, then it will be the peat soil. The answer is myrrh. The acid which is found in sorghum. The acid which is found in sorghum is HCN. Which of the following soils are suitable for the cultivation of groundnut? Silty and sandy soils are suitable for the cultivation of groundnut. pH scale was given by. pH scale was given by Sorensen, and it has a values from 1 to 14, where 7 is neutral. If it is less than 7, then it will be acidic, and if it is more than 7, it will be basic. Organelle responsible for synthesis of fatty acids is. The organelle which is responsible for the synthesis of fatty acids is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, whereas the rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the synthesis of proteins. RBI was nationalized in which year? Reserve Bank of India was formed in the year 1935 and it was nationalized in the year 1969. Root pressure is measured by. Root pressure is measured by an instrument called as manometer. How many acres are equal to 1 hectare? 2.5 acres are equal to 1 hectare. Edible part of apple is. The edible part in apple is thalamus, which is a fleshy thalamus. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.